Hey guys, we're going to be doing a little video here showing you how to replace your AC condenser fan motor. Noticed that my AC was running a little hot, wasn't really working well, so did some troubleshooting, found out that it was an AC condenser fan motor. And enjoy! Wrench to remove the negative terminal off of your battery, a ratchet, a 10mm socket. This is also another 10mm socket. That's going to be used to remove the AC condenser out. That way you can work on it. The 13mm socket is what you're going to use to remove the fan. You're going to go left. It's like you're tightening it in order to get that off. And then an 8mm socket in order to get the AC condenser fan motor off of the unit. And then lastly, you're going to need the screwdriver flathead in order to remove the electrical connection from the AC motor. Right here I am removing the negative terminal from the battery for safety purposes. Here is where I am beginning the process of removing the bolts that are holding the AC condenser unit to the frame. That's the first one, that's the second one. Here's where I am removing the electrical connection for the AC fan motor. Next, I am beginning the process of removing the AC condenser unit in order to get to the bolts to remove the AC condenser fan shroud. Now that I've finally gained access to the bolts, I am removing the bolts in order to take off the fan shroud. Now I'm removing the AC fan in order to get to the AC fan motor. This process involves using the opposite of righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So left tight, right loose. Now that I've got the fan off, I'm removing the 3 bolts that are holding the fan motor in place. I've gotten the old fan motor out, and now I'm putting the new fan motor in, and you do everything in reverse.